problem. It's discounted twice. First time it's discounted X%, and we can write that as X over 100. And then the next time it's discounted by 2X%, so 2X over 100. And they say the original price was P. So the first time it's discounted by X over 100, that's going to be P minus how much it's discounted by, X%, times the price. Now there's the new price. And now it's going to be discounted by 2X%. So here's my original price minus the price, which is P minus X over 100 times P, times the discount amount, which is 2X over 100. So now we're almost done. This is going to be P minus XP over 100 minus, now distribute, that will be 2PX over 100 plus 2X squared P over 100 squared. And I look at my answers and I see they're in decimal form. So let's change these. This is P minus 1 divided by 100 is 0.01 XP minus 2 divided by 100 is 0.02 XP minus 2 divided by 100 squared. That's going to give me 3 zeros out front. Yeah. You can think of it as 2 divided by 100 and then divide that by 100 again. All you're doing is moving your decimal point. Px squared. And now I notice that these will combine. That's P minus 0.03 XP minus 0.0002 Px squared. Now look at my answers again. I see they've got a P pulled out front. That's 1 minus 0.03x minus 0.0002 x squared. And that's going to be answer B. If you have a coat, and let's say the coat costs $100, and it's discounted by 5%, what would be the new price? Well, you would take 0.05 times the 100, and that would be the new price. Now, I'd like to say something else about this 5%. It can be written like this. Of course, when you use it in a calculation, you always use either the decimal form or 5 over 100. So it's the percent over 100. So let's look now at our